Okay. Second lord in the sixth, what will happen?
बीमारियों में पैसा जाएगा.
Lord of wealth goes to the house of disease.
Okay.
But very good profession for earning money through medical profession.
Okay.
A doctor earns his money from the sixth house, right? Always remember this thing. Doctor
Yes.
earns his money from second, sixth house and 12th house. Right?
Yes, yes.
If this planet is neatly or well placed, your second lord is going into fifth from itself, right? That means the person can easily get loans and repay them, because there is a combination of fifth, ninth, second lord in the sixth house going fifth from itself, ninth from sixth house, right? So you can, when fifth, ninth is what I've told you, if fifth, ninth combination is there, there is a continuous energy. So second lord in the sixth house, well placed, without any malefic influence, you take loans, you will repay them, you can create asset through that.
Correct.
If this lord is not well placed, you won't be able to repay loans. Never take loans if your second lord is into the sixth house or the sixth lord in the second house and it is a malefic influence. I'm saying don't take any loans if your second lord is into the sixth house and badly placed.
Okay.
You won't be able to repay loans. Okay. Sixth house is a house of conflict. Second house is a house of speech. What will happen?
बोलेगा तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट होगा.
तो विक्रम बेताल हो जाएगा वो. बोला
वो
और
बोला
गया.
मैं गया.
Right?
Yes.
Now, if it is a strong planet, strong मतलब strong malefic. Now look at this. Second house is 8th from 7th. If it is going in the 6th house, it is going 12th from the 7th. 8th, the lord of 8th from the 7th is going 12th from the 7th. This planet, if it is having a lot of malefic influence, can break the marriage. Because 6th house is 12th from the 7th. And 7th is your first wife, right?
Yes.
Correct.
So if it is going into the
Correct.
6th house, it shows loss of the first wife.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Nowadays, it is more important to see the possibility of a divorce in a marriage rather than a good marriage, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the second lord occupies the sixth house and if it is conjuncted with a benefic, then the native will earn through his own enemies. If it is with a malefic, there will be a lot of losses because of enemies. Have you seen people who are earning because of enemies? आपका दुश्मन आपको पैसे कमा के देता है. कैसे कमा के देगा? वो दुश्मन खुद अपना नुकसान करता है जिससे आपको पैसा आता है. If idea is into trouble, who is gaining?
Geo.
Right? That means what? You are earning because of your enemy or your competition.
Yes.
So if second lord in the sixth house with a benefic, you can always suggest to the person that they should be in a business which is full of competition. If it is with a malefic, you should not suggest them to get into a business which is very competitive business.
Okay.
Because their enemies will be very strong and then the person has to suffer a lot of losses because of this.